Here are some more tips and motivations before going to sleep. 1. Your well-being is essential. Treat yourself to a restful night's rest. Morality. Take care of your well-being. Give yourself a restful night's rest. 2. Sleep peacefully. Tomorrow you will be full of energy to conquer the world. Morality. Enjoy a peaceful sleep. Tomorrow you will wake up full of energy to face all the challenges. 3. Savor the silence of the night and let it envelop you in a sweet peace of mind. Morality. Enjoy the silence of the night and let it envelop you in soothing tranquility. 4. Visualize your dreams and let them guide you to peaceful sleep. Morality. Visualize your dreams and let them lead you to a peaceful sleep. 5. The night is the time to recharge your mind and soul. Make the most of it. Moral. Nighttime is the perfect time to recharge your mind and soul. Take full advantage of it. 6. Relax and let the calm of the night wash away the worries of the day. Morality. Relax and let the calm of the night wash away the cares of the day. 7. Cultivate gratitude before falling asleep. It will fill you with inner peace. Morality. Practice gratitude before going to sleep. It will bring you inner peace. 8. Your dreams are waiting for you. Let them inspire you and guide you to restful sleep. Morality. Your dreams are waiting for you. Let them inspire you and lead you to restful sleep. 9. Each night is a new chance to recharge your batteries and prepare for a bright tomorrow. Morality. Every night is an opportunity to recharge your batteries and prepare for a bright tomorrow. 10. Your rest is sacred. Treat yourself to the tranquility you deserve. Morality. Your rest is precious. Give yourself the tranquility you deserve.